Oh, ladies and gentlemen, how are you guys doing? This is Kingsley here, and I'm back to my YouTube channel, Fully Never to Live Again. Let's get straight into business. Why are we here today? I want to show you guys how to generate thousands of quality Facebook followers or Facebook likes on your page and increase your brand credibility. Okay, this is absolutely important if you're a brand or if you're a business owner, because of when people visit your business page, they want to see that other people are following. They want to see that you're not the first. They want to see that you are not new in business, because of it helps them, it increases your brand visibility, your brand credibility, when somebody knows that, okay, this guy has been operating in business for a while now, and I mean, look at other people that are following him. So yeah, I can trust him. Okay, so very, very important. Okay, and I learned this method from Ben Heath. Shout out to Ben Heath. Okay, so and I've gone ahead to implement it for my clients, and it has worked like crazy. Like, I've been able to spend like, I don't know, like $10 or less to generate like over hundreds of Facebook, I think around 100 of Facebook followers. So yeah, it works like crazy. So definitely need to implement it. Okay, so all right, like as you can see on the screen here, we spent just 3,800, like maybe six. This is like $6 or so on the page likes campaign. Now we're getting page likes for as little as 28 naira. This is like less than 1 cent, if I'm not mistaken, as our cost per results. And we got 136 page likes with just 3,800 naira. So you can imagine how much more you can achieve if you are spending up to $100 or up to 10 or 20,000 or even 100,000 naira. That's going to really help your business, and it really help improve your brand credibility on Facebook. Okay, let us get right into it. So you want to go to create campaign. After that, you come to engagement. Okay, so as you know, Facebook has changed the interface of their ads manager. So I mean, this is how it looks now. So you want to go to engagement, and I always like to name my campaign on this level. Yeah, so you just come here and click here where it says name your campaign, and then you scroll to the bottom. Let's say page likes what now, page likes campaign. Nah, this is not correct. Campaign, page likes ad sets, page likes ad. Okay, so this is very, very simple, and if you're a business owner, you can just set it up for a business and then just have it running like that. So just want to skip ahead, click next. So just to be clear again, this campaign, the objective of this campaign is to generate page likes or page followers for your business page on Facebook, only on Facebook. Okay, so okay, where is that now? Okay, now they're asking us about the conversions. So where do we want, what's the conversion location? What conversion location do you want to choose? Let's choose Facebook page, because that's what we said, Facebook page. And then you scroll down, and then let's pick this store, not store, page name. Let's pick this page, Kingsley Tutorials. This is the test page. There is nothing there. And then I'm in Nigeria. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorial, I will be using the Nigerian naira as example. So let's choose let's say 2,500 naira, or let's say 3,000 naira. That's around $5 if I'm not mistaken. $5, okay. So let's say 3,000 naira, and then want to scroll down to the bottom, and then come here to this location where it says location. You remove your home country, and then you want to look for worldwide. See that region, worldwide. So not just your country, you're targeting worldwide, all over the place. So you can see our audience. Definition. This is between 1 point and 2 point billion people. Yeah, between 1 point and 2 point billion people. So definitely this is a lot. So you also want to leave this age bracket the way it is. You also want to leave the gender the way it is. Scroll down, audience, placements. It has to be just Facebook. Okay, by default it's set to Facebook, so you can leave it like this, or even when you take it to recommended, it's still Facebook like that. Okay, so we are looking at generating between 102 to 100 to 200 page Facebook likes every day, just by spending $5 or less. Okay, so let's move to the next step. What has always worked for me is to just choose like a cover image or something, just like a simple image, and then tell people to follow me. Okay, so let me choose this image. So I can say something like discover how to grow your business online using Facebook ads. Follow me. Okay, no. So this is how I always like to structure that. I like to say follow me. This is like the call to action. Follow me, or since it's a business, you can say follow us. Follow us to discover how to grow your business online using Facebook ads. Very simple. Look at the way it looks. Okay, very simple. And then you come down here, and then you click publish. I cannot publish it right now because of this account is currently restricted, as you might have noticed. So you just click publish and boom, it goes live, and your ads, you start getting quality clicks and quality links, followers, quality page likes from all over the world. This will help you build your page or your brand credibility online very quickly. Imagine because according to the data we have here, let me go back to the ad sale level real quick. So imagine, according to the data we have here, we are looking at getting at least 100 likes per day just by spending $3, 3,000 naira. That's around $5, or maybe that's around $5. So if we are spending, let's see now. Let's say if we wanted to generate 1,000 Facebook likes, right? So if we're spending what's it called, 3,000 naira to get 100, so it means to get 1,000 we'll be spending 30,000 naira, right? So 30,000 naira, and we are getting 1,000 Facebook 1,000 Facebook likes or followers for your account, or for your page rather. No, for your page, please. Sorry. I need to compose myself this morning. I don't know. My thoughts are scattered. Yeah, so for your page, okay, generate quality followers for your page. Yeah, so guys, that's it for today's video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Share with your friends, and tell me in the comment section below where you learned, or if you have any questions, or if you have any requests. Okay, see you on the next video. I'm out.